Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Minecraft render distance is completely stuck and chunks refuse to load in the distance even when you set the slider to maximum, you are likely being limited by a server-side cap or a misconfigured simulation setting. I will show you exactly how to bypass these limits and fix your chunk loading right now. Let's get started. First, if you are playing on a multiplayer server or a Minecraft realm, the server has a hard-coded limit that completely overrides your personal video settings to prevent lag. To fix this on a custom server you own, access your server control panel files and open the text document named server.properties. Locate the specific line labeled view-distance equals 10 and carefully increase the number to match your preferred render distance. Save the file and completely restart your server to permanently allow farther chunks to load for all connected players. Next, if you are playing in single player and the world looks like it is abruptly cutting off into thick fog, your simulation distance is acting as a bottleneck. Press the Escape key, open your Options menu, and click on Video Settings. Look for the slider named Simulation Distance, which dictates how far away the game actually processes entity movements, crop growth, and block updates. If this slider is set drastically lower than your visual range, it can cause distant chunks to freeze or fail to render properly. Try increasing it to balance your visual range. Finally, if the slider is completely glitched and the fog refuses to move no matter what you do, your game's internal visual cache is simply stuck. While standing safely in your world, hold down the F3 key and press the A key on your keyboard at the exact same time to forcefully reload all chunks and reset the renderer. If the distance is still broken, close Minecraft, press the Windows key plus R, type %appdata%\.minecraft and press Enter. Locate the file named options.txt and completely delete it to force the game to generate fresh, uncorrupted video settings the next time you launch it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.